वाइब चेंज हो गया गाइस, फुल वाइब चेंज. पहला वाला फुल पार्टी सॉन्ग था. दिस इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट सॉन्ग. यहाँ पे तो पूरा हार्ट फीलिंग. दिस इज सेरेनेड सॉन्ग. दिस इज अ गुड कॉलेज रोमांस सॉन्ग. ओके ओके, अभी हम लोग को डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा गाइस. शायद इज विनिंग बोथ सॉन्ग्स टुडे. ओके, शायद you're gonna win both. Either way you win.
What? Okay.
आइए शायद आइए. आपको कौन सा, आप which is closer to your heart?
I like to give decisions when they're up to me.
Yeah.
This one's not up to me.
This is not up to you.
But no. Both the songs are amazing. Both the songs are amazing, and I mean, I'm very fortunate to have two amazing actresses, superstars, beautiful ladies, extremely professional, in the absolute prime of their careers, and they've both given spectacular performances. They both are amazing looking, and I guess that's why Cocktail 2. Even Kunal can't decide who to go with, and that's what the film is all about. But it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
This सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you have
बताना
to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. And that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah, like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, after takes there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was like magical. And thank you,
But I
Shahid.
have
You're
to
the
say,
best.
I have to say, because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it?
love it.
हाँ?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. No! Censor. I didn't say
एक
it. I didn't
शब्द
say
बोला
it.
था जो नहीं बोलना है.
Sorry. She is
चलेगा.
amazing. Like, look at her. Okay, I shouldn't. It's just
look
too
at
much
that.
love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical, and when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homester has killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens. Homie, come on, yeah. You have to come on stage. Arey, you have to come on stage. Are you crazy? No. People have to know the voice of this crazy guy. Guys, come on.
Yes.
The OG Cocktail director.
अच्छा, जिसने दोनों गाने बनाए उनसे तो पूछते उसको कौन सा गाना
Give it up for Pritam Da.
Now we have Pritam.
Mic is all yours.
Dada, choose which song. I want to tell you all, Dada first time has delivered both songs on time. It was exactly 2 minutes before the event started.
So Pritam, you want
Dada, which song you want to launch?
Mashuka or Tujhko?
Okay, Mashuka
And Tujhko. Sound pretty much the same. homie, why don't we
दिखा
do
दिया. Dada's like गाना दिखा दिया. Okay, guys, before we get into which song, this film would have not been possible if Love Ranjan wasn't here. He's the
Big
one
round of applause for
who's-
Love Ranjan, yes.
So actually, he knows who he ends up with. He's the only one. So
Even
let's
we don't know.
Ask him.
We've shot the film, but we don't know who they end up with.
So
You
which?
know, you are shooting it, right? वो तो नहीं बता सकते ना कि who he ends up with.
वो नहीं बता सकते, बट आप
वो नहीं
गाना
बता
चूज कर लो ना, आपको कौन सा गाना बेटर लग रहा है.
मैं क्यों चूज करूं यार, ये लोग चूज करेंगे.